Marin County Fire Department comes from the first organized wildland fire agency in the state. It serves not only the San Geronimo Valley and neighboring communities, but really the entire county. Our vision for this new facility is to emulate a lot what we've experienced here in Woodacre, and that's being part of the community. As we look at the new facility and the opportunities, we've got to try to predict what we need for 75 years.
The last 15 years, our demands to respond to major wildland fires throughout the state has increased drastically due to increased populations, increased vehicle accidents, the need to respond to hazmat and urban search and rescue, water rescue.
It's important to have an actual building to be able to train in and mimic those real life scenarios.
The truck barn we're sitting in today was around in the 1940s.
A lot of the equipment is corked in an old apparatus bay with tight quarters, and to get one out, we have to pull 2 or 3 others out.
The main building on this lot was built in 1974 when there were only 2 platoons.
We've expanded as a department without expanding this facility.
There's 18 to 20 people here for a dinner and sleeping overnight. It gets tight quarters pretty fast.
It's really hard for firefighters to sleep in a bunk bed, wake each other up through the night when they've maybe had minimal sleep because they've been on a fire the night before.
Upstairs we have urinals and showers for the men. Down here, there's 2 bedrooms that are specific for women. The bathroom with the shower is the public restroom, which kind of makes things a little complicated. In the facility where you sleep and where you cook, that should be technically like a cold zone. Hot zone is where all of the stuff that goes to the jobs and to the calls is.
We still expose ourselves the way it currently is.
Separation of the hot and cold zones and the ability to have your own space will allow it to be a little bit cleaner.
Mental health is an important thing.
Sometimes we're at work for a week to 2 weeks. You have a bad call, you see something that was pretty difficult. Most people would love a space to go into, call home and say hi to your kids, or call home and talk to your loved ones. Feel your emotions without feeling like you don't have that private space.
Working as a team to help other people, it's more than a job. We've got to make sure that we incorporate that sense of community and belonging into this project, and that's going to be one of our top priorities.
The better we know the community, the relationships we have with them, it'll create good awareness with the community.
I'm just so happy that we're getting a new fire station. San Geronimo Valley, it's rustic, a little bit wild. It's a jewel. We only feel like our wildfire risk is getting greater.
That property is such an important piece of this valley, from access to trails and connecting open spaces, safe route to schools, wildlife corridor. We need to do this so it can serve everyone well. That's going to be an important part of the design. This is a unique opportunity to intermix this facility with the natural environment. Facilities that take into account sustainability and making sure that night light sky is respected. When we talk about the land itself, the natives that were there, how do we incorporate that and feel that it's really one with the land and the unique nature of this valley?
This fire station is going to be here a lot longer than I'll currently be here at this fire department, and probably a lot of our firefighters, but the community will be here, and we want there to be a good working relationship.
What makes this community special is everyone cares.
The community here is really tightly woven.
People are festive, they love coming around the station, standing in line, interacting with the firefighters. The pancake breakfast here serves over 1,000 people every year.
This is all of us working together. We would love to hear your input.
We want to hear all voices, not just the loudest, and we want to make sure that ultimately what's built there represents this community well. It serves not only locally, but on a regional level, and will be there for us and the community for many, many years.